ang mag-uwi ng susi na magpapaandar sa bagong motorsiklo nito. Malalaman na natin in just a few seconds. Kuya, yung mga resulta, please. Thank you. Ay. Ito na. Ha? Yeah. Very good. Magaling. Okay, in fourth place, with a time of 24 minutes and 43 seconds, ang nanalo ng first challenge. Pero ngayon, fourth place, sila Gwen and Fabio. It's okay, no problem. Sorry po. Sorry. In third place, with a time of 13 minutes and 36 seconds, we give you 30 points, Mark and Ina. Which means, last two teams, please step forward.
Alam ko na, ending nito.
Second place, with a time of 11 minutes and 24 seconds. Well, the first place got a whopping super speedy time of 10 minutes. Of course, they'll be getting 50 points. First place is the team of Rocco and Chris! Congratulations! Okay, sige na. Congrats. Ano? Ikaw magagamit nito?
Actually, pwede po namin gamitin sa grupo to, lalo na nag-iikot kami sa community. Naghanap kami ng mga batang walang makain, walang matuluyan.
Sa mga ibang challengers, we still have the third challenge. So, it doesn't matter if you got 20 points today. Because your next challenge, 100 points. No problem.
Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Nomar Subdivision, San Bartolome, Novaliches. Alam nyo ba mga kapuso kung bakit tayo nandito? Dahil ihahatid